Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on the vibrate during the calls. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. So friends, you have to go to the setting here. Then you see her sound, so you have to press this one. Then you see here vibrate for calls, you have to press this one. Then when you press this one, you will get many options from here. I mean 3 options from here. So never vibrate, always vibrate, vibrate first, then ring gradually. Whatever you prefer it to choose it. It's became blur now, so I just wait for a little bit here. It's becoming so blur. Can you see it here? Can you see? No, it's already see. So you just need to press this one, any of here. So always vibrate, I press this always vibrate, I put it here. So when the call will come, then it will always be vibrate only. So friends, you can put it any options from here, then it will be vibrate if you want to put it. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.